Hey everyone, welcome back to Drew Drives. Today let's go for a quick drive in this 2022 Lexus RC350 F Sport. Really nice car. I really like the RC. It's a nice car. These F Sports look cool, and I love the gauge cluster. It's one of my favorite gauge clusters in the car business. Heated, ventilated seats, heated steering wheel. You have the modes right here. You put on Eco, Normal, push for normal, Sport, Sport Plus. The one thing that's weird about the RC is the screen. It's like so far over there, and then you can't really see anything. It's horrible. Like from the driver's seat, I can barely see it. And then like this part covers it, which is terrible. And you have a touchpad right here, which is atrocious. So yeah, it's one of the biggest demerits of many Lexus products. The infotainment is horrific. You have the Mark Levinson sound system. The door is massive, with it being a coupe. It's your sunroof. I like the stitching on the seats. It looks nice. And it's weird how the turn signal has a weird design where it goes back to center when you turn on the signal, which is really, really bad. Doesn't make any sense. BMW did that for a long time and people hated it. Not sure why Lexus does that. It literally makes no sense. It's just, it goes back to center. So when you try to switch the signal again, you're going to put on turn off the signal, you're going to put on the opposite signal. So it's clunky and unnecessary in many ways. Engine sounds good. This interior is definitely really outdated, but I like the feel and finish of it. Like the Lexus build quality and reliability, as we all know, is fantastic. And these cars, when they're brand new, may not be a good value at like what, 50s to 60K range. It's a lot of money for the super outdated interior, but as a pre-owned car, it's a really good purchase. You don't ever have to worry about having big issues with the car. And then like everything in here feels really good. Comfortable daily driving car. Seats feel nice. Ride quality is pretty good. But the thing with these Lexus cars is the transmission. It's pretty, when you use the shift paddles, it's pretty lazy to shift. I mean, it's not the quickest shifting car, you know. It's a torque converter automatic. Nowhere near like a dual clutch or like a ZF8 or something like that. I mean, like even the IS500 F Sport, while that car has a ton of power and a massive V8, which sounds insane, like the transmission definitely holds the car back. It could be a lot faster if it had a quicker shifting transmission. Same with the RCF and so on. Like on these, what I notice in a lot of Lexus cars, when you put your foot on the gas, it doesn't automatically jump. It takes it lags for a second and then it goes. Even though it's an F Sport, I wouldn't say it's necessarily fully tuned for like extremely sporty driving. It's just a little bit, I mean, it just has some nice sporty touches. A little bit faster, but it's definitely not as sporty as you would expect it to be. But it's a nice car, as I said. It's a really nice car. But yeah, like if you really want like a performance oriented vehicle, get like a M performance vehicle, like an Like for example, BMW, not even a full M car, like an M performance vehicle, like an M240i or something like that, or M340i, something like that, it's going to be a lot sportier. But yeah, comfortable car, good materials. Can't be mad at a nice, well-built car, you know. Anyways, let's finish off this video with a quick walk around, as we always do. Door is huge. This one's a Black Obsidian, I believe, or Caviar, I forget. F-Sport badge. It says the partial front PPF on it, as I can see there. I like the daytime running lights. Looks pretty good. Wheels look good. Actually, the wheels look kind of small. It's a good design, but the wheels look kind of tiny, to be honest. We have a spoiler. Yeah, it looks a good looking car. But anyways, that's about it. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.